Seeing if your iPhone 16 is original or fake is really easy to do. As you can see, this is an iPhone 16 right here, or is it? I'm going to show you how to see if it's fake. Now first off, you actually just want to go to settings on the phone, and actually just scroll down to the option that is called general. I'm going to let the camera focus, click on general, and once you're in general, you click on about at the top. Click on about, and you can actually see the serial number. And the first way to actually know if it's fake or not is you want to get your box if you have it. If you don't, no problem. The second method, you don't need it. But you actually want to check on the back of the box if the serial number matches up with the iPhone 16 box. And mine does, so it is real. But if you don't have the box, what you want to do is, again, just copy the serial number. As you can see, you just want to go over to the internet, just go to Safari or Google, and actually just type in this right here. Type in the words Apple serial number lookup, and when you search that, you just want to click on this first link right here by apple.com, where from here, you can actually scroll down, you don't even have to sign in. Paste your serial number right here. I'm just going to paste it, and as you can see, if you scroll down, you want to enter in whatever these characters are, and click on submit, and it will basically show you if your iPhone is legit or not. As you can see, mine is legit and is an actual iPhone 16 Pro, but if it's not, it won't come up right here, and it'll give you an error, and yeah, that's how you see if your phone is legit or not. And yeah, mine is.